Hi, I'm David with InsideOut Home Inspection. I have some pictures of a roof that I had inspected and just want to show you some of the pictures that I took along with some videos. It did determine that there were some active leaks going on inside the house, but looking over the pictures, uh, we can see that there doesn't appear to be anything real crazy going on at the surface of the shingles. Here's some chimney flashing that's been compromised, and that was leaking as well. Again, this area right here was leaking in the attic too. You have some loose flashing all along here that can be prone to leaking. Surface granules are deteriorated a little bit on the shingles, but the leak in question was right in this area of the roof, and there were no plumbing penetrations or appliance penetrations in the roof above this area. So it's possible the water leak was coming right here at this hip ridge joint and potentially moving horizontally a little bit before leaking into the attic space. But I guess my point is that just because the surface looks good doesn't mean that there's not leakage going on until you get up into the attic and look all through. So here we have a plumbing vent with the boot collar is deteriorated, and that was leaking as well in the attic space. There's a couple of those at the roof. We have some other loose flashing joints there too that can be prone to leaking. Other loose flashing. Okay, here we are up in the attic. We can see some water leaking down onto the insulation. The insulation is saturated. And this is at the front of the structure. Looking back, we can see water dripping down from a little nail that's punching through the sheathing. And again, the insulation, there were no indications of the roof leak inside the house. It's a good thing we caught it in time before damage occurred to the roof sheathing.